Welcome to our guide to location tagging. Whether you're bookmarking a hidden gem or sharing a meeting location, we'll show you how to drop a pin on iPhone correctly. Step 1. Open Map. Launch the Maps app on your iPhone. Step 2. Find location. Navigate to the location where you want to drop the pin. You can search for it or zoom in manually on the map. Step 3. Drop a pin, press and hold on the screen at the desired location. A pin will appear. Step 4. Edit accuracy, optional, if necessary. Tap Edit Location to fine-tune the pin's location using satellite view. Step 5. Confirm by clicking Done. Step 6. Share the pin. Tap Share in the bottom right corner. Step 7. Choose your preferred sharing method, via Messages, Facebook, or AirDrop. This function gives you a location marker for you. You will know where and in what position you are standing. The map will show you the correct location, name of the place, and the road you are standing on in the clearest way. Thank you for watching.